Good morning everyone. In today's class of business studies, I am going to tell new topic limitations of planning. Here limitations means disadvantage or problems in planning. Before it I have discussed meaning and definition of planning, features or nature of planning and also importance of planning. Now the problems or disadvantage or we can say limitations of planning. Here 6 points are given. First, planning leads to rigidity. Planning may not work in dynamic environment. It reduces creativity. Planning involves huge cost. It's a time consuming process and planning does not give guarantee success. Okay. Let's discuss these 6 points in detail. Point number 1. Planning leads to rigidity. Rigidity means fixed or no change. It means once we have made plans, we cannot change. So that's the disadvantage or limitation of planning, that planning is fixed. So here it is written, once plans are made to decide the future course of action, the manager may not be in a position to change them. This kind of rigidity in plan may create difficulty. Okay, means एक बार plan बन गई, you cannot change. So planning is rigidity. Second, planning may not work in dynamic environment. First of all, learn the meaning of word dynamic. Dictionary meaning of dynamic is change. So it means planning will not work proper if environment conditions or circumstances will change. Here it is written, business environment is very dynamic, means changeable, as there are continuously changes taking place in past. I have discussed business environment in chapter 3 and also I have discussed this term past. Past stand for political, economical, social, technological and L stand for legal environment. This is an external environment. Types of environment are past and legal. So it becomes very difficult to forecast, means predict, or in Hindi we can say bhavishyavani or anuman lagana these future changes. Plans may fail if changes are very fast. So planning will not be suitable in that environment which changes occasionally or is changing continuously. Okay, so planning is fixed. Planning will fail in dynamic or changeable environment. Point number 3, it reduces creativity. Reduce means less, or in Hindi we can say come. Planning reduces creativity. Creativity means to do something new, something unique. Let's study why planning reduces creativity. With the planning, the managers of organizations start working rigidly and they become the blind followers of the plan only. The managers don't take any initiative to make changes in plan according to changes in business environment. They stop giving suggestions and new ideas to bring improvement in working because guidelines for working are given in planning only. Guidelines means directions. Planning reduces creativity. It means with planning we can't do any new thing or in unique or a unique thing, because in planning we have fixed things. We have fixed what do we have to do. So if planning is done, managers don't want to do anything creativity, anything new according to change in environment. They are just following, and they always used to follow the plans they made. Okay, so in that way they are just following their plan and they are not ready to do any creativity or any uniqueness in work according to situations, because they are just following the planning. So planning reduces creativity. If we follow planning, we follow planned work, then there will be no scope of doing any kind of creativity. So this is also a limitation. Next, point number 4, planning involves huge cost. It means planning is a cost consuming process. Huge means big. Planning process involves lot of cost because it is an intellectual process. Intellectual means related with mind. I have already discussed this word intellectual. It means related with mind. So planning is a very difficult work because it is from mind, and companies need to hire, just correct the spelling, hire, HIER, hire the professional experts to carry on this process. Means for doing planning we must have some experts. For a company who wants to do anything in future and are doing planning, then they must have some experts to do and to make plans. So planning, for that we will have to pay a huge salary. So planning is a cost consuming process. Just correct the spelling. Hire, HIRE. Hire means किसी को जॉब पे रखना, तो HIRE, not HIGHER. This hire means big, but we have to write HIRE. Next, second last point, it's a time consuming process. As we know, planning is a cost consuming process. Also learn planning is a time consuming process, because planning is a time consuming process because it takes long time. To evaluate means deep study the alternative, mean choices and select the best one. Because planning we will have to do for some time, it will take time, so it's not a very short term process, it's a time consuming process. Also here some types are given. On the basis of time, planning can be of three types: short term, mid term, long planning. Short term planning is within 1 year, mid term planning is 1 to 3 years, and long term planning is more than 3 years. Means planning can be of any time. For tomorrow we can have planning, for 10 years, for 20 years we can make planning. So planning, for doing so much planning we will need some time. So planning is a time consuming process. Whenever there is a need for prompt and immediate decision, prompt means fast, immediate means soon, means whenever we want soon decisions, then we will have to avoid planning. Yes, obviously, if we are in hurry, we don't have time to think, we will have to avoid planning because it's a very time consuming process. So learn, planning is a cost consuming process, planning is a time consuming process also. Last but not least point in limitations of planning is, planning does not give guarantee success. It means planning is just a way to predict future, but we cannot depend on planning for success. It means, it is written here, planning only provides a base for analyzing future. Analyzing means study future. It is not a solution for future course of action. Means planning एक base है on which you can study future, but it's not a solution for success in business. So these are the limitations of planning. It's a very important topic in planning. Definitely examiner can ask why planning will fail and what are the conditions in planning will not be useful. So these are 6 problems or limitations in planning. Just learn this. Okay, go through it. Thank you for listening. Next I will discuss in other video.